Hello guys, today I have got the JBL Quantum 650 and I'm going to show you how you can easily install and set up the application for your headphones on your Android phone. So at first open the Play Store, open search, JBL Quantum over here. As you can see here, we have this application with 10,000 downloads plus and 340 reviews as for the 2nd of April 2026. Let me hit install button over here, and now let's wait. Let's hit open now, agree with the terms and agreement, okay. Before pairing with your headphones, before pairing I do recommend to have your headphones paired with your phone. Now we can tap get started, allow. Now our application is searching for products. As you can see here we have our headphones. Let's tap connect. Please short press mute on the product to continue. This is the button near the charging port, mute. And I had many fights with this button, so try to spam this button. I think that the microphone has to be plugged in. We'll check it in a moment. As you can see, it doesn't work because we don't have the prompts to connect. So I will plug my microphone in there. I don't know why, but it works like that. So now we have our microphone plugged in. Let me tap retry. Now we are searching for the product, connect, and now short press on mute. Okay, after many tries I have got this. Here now we need to tap this pairing request, pair. Your headphones have been added. Now we are here, finally. Next, or skip, and now we are done. Goodbye.